Hey, and welcome back to my channel. This is a super quick unboxing of another Christmas present. It'll last probably less than 3 minutes, so here we go. This one is an Hermes gift. It is from my husband to me. I just said I wanted something, either another Clic or Clic Clack or something from Hermes for my stack. So he and my daughter went into the store and she helped him pick this out, and it's actually one that I've never had before, so I was pretty excited to get something new for me to try, new in 2 areas. This is the Clic Cadenas, and it is in a rose gold. Can you see? Definitely right there. And the fastener is the Hermes lock. So you just spring that. So you just push it in and open it. There you go. But yeah, there it is. It's my first rose gold piece, believe it or not. And this is a Clic, but it is the Cadenas. There we go with the rose gold right there. Still don't think that color is showing you. It'll show better up on Instagram, so I will show it to you on Instagram. But yeah, this was what he got for me as one of my Christmas gifts. And see, boom, instant unboxing. Pretty easy and pretty quick. Make sure to hit notifications and subscribe and leave a comment as well. I'd love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Bye.